Today's video is regarding Canon Pixma MG3620 printer. I'm going to show you how to do the setup of this printer, that is a wireless Wi-Fi setup using your MacBook. Now first step is to switch on the printer and go on the control panel. We have to enter this printer into the setup mode. For that we have to press the stop button once. Press and hold the wireless button until the power button starts to flash. Release it. Press the color button once and then press the wireless button once. You will see the wireless light starts to flash. So this blue light is flashing now. This means your printer has entered into the setup mode. Now go to your MacBook. In the MacBook we have to go to the Canon website. So type in Canon IJ setup. Click on it. You will see the Canon website here. Canon official manuals. Click on it. Click on the setup icon here. Enter your printer model number, that is MG3620, and select it. Click on the go. Here you will see it displays the setup, so you just have to download the proper file. Open the file. You will see the setup icon here. Double click on it. Click on the open, and we can see that the printer series is available here, and now we can start the full setup process. So this is a wireless setup. Click on the next button. Click on the start setup. Click on the next button. Follow all the steps here and just wait for the download to be complete. Select your country. Agree for the terms and conditions. It will display the router information and your printer series, MG3600 series. So just click on yes button and it will start the connection. So you will see your connection is set up once you see this screen. Now we have to click on the next button. It will download all the drivers and all other package which is available with your printer. You will also see the blue light which was flashing on your printer has stopped flashing and it is stable now. This means it is connected to the Wi-Fi network. So we are just completing the complete setup so that we can use it for printing and scanning. On the next screen it will ask you to add the printer. So click add printer button. You will see this screen on the left hand side. So simply select this printer 3600 series. Once it is ready, you will click on the add button here. So this is added in your MacBook. You can also close this website here. And here we can see on this screen, click on the next button. Or if you want, you can skip it and it will show up if you want to download these things. If you want to do this, okay. Otherwise you can just uncheck that and click on the next button. You will get a message installation is successful. So click on the exit button. It will take you to the Canon website again. So if you want, you can just close the website. Now to do a wireless printing and scan, so simply go and click on the Launchpad. Go to the system preferences. Here you will see printers and scanners. Click on it. If you zoom this screen, you should be able to see the Canon MG3600 series printer. It has print and scan option. So click on the scan button. Click on the open scanner. Here you can see your scanner is available. Now to do a scan, simply place a page in your printer on the top scanner lid and click on the scan button. Place the page facing downwards here and click on the scan button in the screen and wait for the scanning to be done. So your scan is available there, and if you want you can just simply go to the desktop and see it should be saved there. So here you can see the scan is done. So this way we can do the scanning. In case you want to do the printing, simply select any document you want to print. Open any document you want to print. For example, I'm going to print this one. Click on the print icon on the top. Select your printer from this box, and you can select whatever you want options here and give a print command. Now wait for the printer. So here we can see it has done the printing. So this way we can do the wireless printing and scanning. Overall, it's very easy to set up this printer with your home or office Wi-Fi network using your MacBook. Thanks for watching.